Hello students, now I am going to explain you the program where I can insert an element at a desired position inside my array and also remove or delete an element from a desired position in an array. As we all know, the flow of control always gets executed from the main function. So I enter the main function. I have declared few of the local variables required for the task given. A is an array, I as a loop control variable, choice because I will be giving a choice for insertion, deletion and exit from the program to read that choice. Position will give me the position from where I want to insert an element inside the array or remove an element from the array. N will give me the number of elements that I wish to insert inside an array, and the value, which is again the value that I'm going to insert inside the array. I'm using a do while loop here. So as soon as I enter the do loop, a menu will be printed: 1 for insertion, 2 for deletion and 3 for exit. Enter the choice will be printed. Depending upon my choice I enter, the case statements inside my switch will be executed. Suppose I choose 1 for insertion, I enter the switch statement and the case 1 will be executed. Enter the value of n. Here n represents the total number of items inside my array. So n will be read from the keyboard. Next statement, enter the elements for an array. With the help of an for loop, I am going to read the inputs from the keyboard and store the values entered inside the array. Next statement, enter the position you want to insert a new element. First I read the position. Suppose I want to insert an element at the third position. Suppose I want to insert the element at the fifth position. That position will be read and that value of that position will be stored inside the variable POS. Enter the value. After providing the position, I have to provide a value that has to be inserted inside that array. So that will be read from the keyboard and stored inside the variable value. Now I want to make room for that position and that value. What I do? With the help of an for loop, I move all the elements one step downwards. That is, if I choose to insert an element at the third position and my array is having 5 elements in total, the fifth element will be moved to the sixth place, the fourth element will be moved to the fifth place, the third element will be moved to the fourth place, hence making the room for the third position. That is accomplished with the help of the for loop here. After making room, I am going to assign that value to the desired position. After that, with the help of an for loop, I am going to print the value. I am going to print the elements of my array again, and I increment the value of n. Now because this is a switch statement and case 1 was getting executed, the break statement will cause the flow of control to come out of the switch statement. Once the flow of control comes out of the switch statement, the condition in the while statement will be executed. The choice is less than 1. Now for insertion I had chose 1. Hence 1 is less than 3. True. Hence I re-enter the do while loop. As soon as I enter the do while loop, again the menu will be printed: 1 for insertion, 2 for deletion and 3 for exit. The choice will be read. Once the choice is read, now if I choose to delete an element from the desired position, let me choose 2 and that value will be stored inside the choice. Depending upon the value of the choice, the case statement inside the switch will get executed. Now I want to remove an element from the desired position. So I have to ask what is the desired position which I am going to delete. Enter the position you want to delete. That position is read using the scanf statement. And with the help of a for loop, now what I do, suppose my array, the size of my array is 5, that is there are 5 elements inside my array, and I choose to remove the second position value. What I do, I move the third position element to the second position, the fourth position element to the third position, the fifth position element to the fourth position, and so on. So once I do that, I have to I have to decrement the size of my array. So I decrement the size of the array with the help of n is equals to n minus 1 statement. Now if I want to come out of the program, I will choose the exit option. With the help of the exit option, I come and I exit from my program. Let me run this program and show you how it works. Now 1 for insertion, enter the value of n. I want to enter 5 elements inside the stack. 5. Enter the elements of an array. Let me choose 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So now if I choose to enter an element at the third position, I press 3, enter the value, suppose 50, let it be 70. Now after insertion, if you see, 70 is inserted at the third position. 70 is inserted at the third position. Now if I want to delete an element, I press 2, enter the position you want to delete. Suppose if I want to delete the value 30, which is at the fourth position, I choose 4. So see, 30 was at the fourth position, which got deleted. 10, 20, 70, 40 and 50 are the elements that are currently present inside my array. 3 is for exit. I choose 3 and my program will terminate. So hope you have understood how to insert an element at a desired position and how to delete an element from the desired position inside an array. Thank you.